Don't you hate it when someone disturbs you when you're busy? An easy solution to that is managing your status in your 3CX phone line. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, Client Account Manager at Intelligent Technical Solutions. In this video, we'll go over managing your status across all 3CX devices. How do you set your status on your 3CX devices? The status feature is a great way to inform colleagues of your availability and view who was on hand to take your calls. Avoid distractions and set your status to let others know when you're away or don't want to be disturbed. You may set your status on the 3CX app for Windows, 3CX web client, and 3CX app on iOS and Android. All devices share the same principles when it comes to managing your status. Simply click on the status selector near your name and choose from the following: Available, Away, Do Not Disturb, Lunch, and Business Trip. You may change the status message and voicemail associated with each profile. On the 3CX app for Windows, simply click the status selector beneath your name and choose your status. Click the arrow next to the status to customize with the message and call forwarding options. On the 3CX web client, click your avatar in the top left and choose your status. Your status changes to yellow when your line is busy. Click on your avatar to select Set Status Temporarily to time limit your status. Customize status message and behavior by clicking on Avatar, your name, and then Status. Here you can set a custom message, rename lunch and business trip profiles, set the number of seconds to activate forwarding on unanswered calls for available and lunch profiles, choose to forward unanswered calls to options such as voicemail, and enable or disable push notifications for each status. On your 3CX iOS app, choose your status and set status temporarily. You can customize your status and configure forwarding rules by pressing on the arrow next to the status. On your 3CX Android app, choose your status and set status temporarily. You can further customize your status and call forwarding rules by entering the status profile menu. To learn more about the overall features of 3CX, continue to watch more of our listed videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology.